Hi everyone, it's Matt here from Fine and Country in Barnstaple and welcome to the video tour for Hurton Farm in Tawstock. So we're located here just on the outskirts of Barnstaple, highly desirable village countryside location, 5 minutes drive into town. So you've got amenities nearby, quick and easy access, lovely school just up the road as well and Holywell. So you've really got the best of both worlds here in the countryside. Now the property itself stands on about half an acre. So you've got good grounds here. To the front, driveway parking for a multitude of vehicles. You've got triple garage with stable, as well as that, a very, very large workshop. Lots of potential again to be converted subject to the consents. The main house is 8 bedrooms. You've got a multiple amount of reception rooms, so highly versatile home. In addition to that, you've got a separate 2-bedroom cottage as well. So it really is ideal for generating an additional income or multi-generational living as well. The garden here, south-facing, got beautiful plot, nice level lawn, surrounded by mature hedges, trees and shrubs, so giving it a good degree of privacy here. So all in all, a lovely property. The main house is currently vacant, so you do have to use a bit of imagination when we go around just where furniture would go, etc. But really the world is your oyster with this property. So many possibilities, so much potential. In the right hands, it really could be an outstanding residence. So without further ado, I'll swing you guys round and we'll take a good look.